We've just had our first really heavy frost at 10:30 today, and it was still 0 degrees outside. Now, a lot of the plants that we have in the garden don't mind that sort of thing, but actually there are some plants that we have that have just weathered over the frosty night. And this is one of them. These are begonias, and they gave us a most beautiful show in the summer. I'm going to try an experiment. I'm not sure whether these will take again or not, but I'm going to give it a go and we'll see what happens. So first of all, I'm just going to randomly take off the frosted bits of the begonia, because that now is thawing out and causing the leaves to rot almost immediately. Once I've got rid of the worst of it, I'm going to see if I can get my fingers in and just separate out some of the root. Obviously there's a little bit more dead vegetation to come off of here, but as you can see, well, you might not be able to see, but you may be able to see there's some really tiny shoots there. What I'm hoping is that I'll be able to salvage some of these and repot it in the spring, so that we'll start the process for having a nice display again in the summer. So, as I say, I don't know if this is going to work at all, because these are not tubers, these just are bedding plants, but it's worth a try. I'm not going to lose anything by it. I'm going to also try two different ways of splitting these. So some of them I'm going to split and pop them on some newspaper and into the garage where it's nice and cool, but it won't get frosted, and just see whether they dry out nicely and still have some decent roots, and see whether they can come on in the spring. And the other thing I'm going to do is take some of the smaller ones like this and pop them into pots. Not sure where they're going to go, probably here in the makeshift nursery in the corner of the kitchen, but to see whether they come on at all. And then we can compare what happens, and B, we might get some free flowers for the summer.